Friends, today we learn about GoRouter and how we can redirect one screen to the another screen using GoRouter, and how we pass the data from one screen to the another screen using GoRouter. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how we call the GoRouter and create another file for the GoRouter. Here we can define the multiple router for the different screen, and how we pass the data using GoRouter from one screen to the another screen. This is our basic code of the we get from the Flutter when we create the application. Uh, First of all, I create a routes folder for the navigate to the another screen, and in routes we create app routes.file. So here we can write the code how we navigate one screen to the another screen. This is our basic code, and one create another file is the app route constant. Here we can define the constant name of the route. In app routes we create the object of go route. Before the creating object, we add the go route dependency in the popstring.yml file. So open the terminal and write the code provide go route go router. Yeah, done. Perfect. Here we can import the code of the go router. Here we can import the file of the go router. Import package go router. So is go router dot. Then can create a go router object like router name is equal to go router, and in the go router we write the routes, the list of routes, how many screen we redirect. In the routes we will create a go route. Here we can define the path name and location of the file where the file is stored. For the first screen we can define a slash, and the name of his path is home, and the navigate to the file is we write a page builder. Here we context and state. After that I return the material page and define the home page. Return the material page inside home. Call the home page home screen. Here we can create the list of pages. We create a directory pages. In pages directory we create a home screen home dot. And here we create the stateful widget home, and simply write the container and center widget we show the text widget and write home. To confirm we redirect into the home screen. Yeah, oh, perfect. I create another file is about dot. Here we copy the home screen code and paste into the about dot and replace home's name home with the about. Change the home to the about. Yeah, perfect. Create another file is a context dot. Here we change the name of the class contact and the constructor and the syntax widget contact. So after that I can form the VD direct in the. We create a separate route for the each screen, home, contact and about. We change the file name, class name. In the main screen, we remove all code of the default. We remove default all code and simply write a void main. In void main, I call my app class. I create a stateless widget, my app. Define a material app.router. Here we can define all of the material page router like theme and debug banner, hide the debug banner and icon theme, a bar theme, etc. Here we can add the route config and call the app routes class dot router. Perfect. Simply we after that I run the code. Yeah. Here I can show some error. This is I think this error is due to some state issue. I think we change the name, change the stateless widget to stateful widget. It's again. Yeah. We convert stateless widget to stateful widget. And I can mistake. Yeah, I find the mistake. I cannot change the route name and path. So here is my mistake. I change the route name and define the path of the about and contact. This is a error, so when we call the route but route cannot find the page. Yeah, perfect. We saw the about page. Here we write a contact. Yeah, perfect. If you learn about the how we pass data in between two screens using the route, the command pass data, and we I upload the next video for the how we pass data between two screens using the route, and another video for the how we use route for the button click or other on tap, on press event, key event or click event. So simply comment and like, share and subscribe.